Action cameras with HDR are a game changer. They help you capture every detail in both bright and dark areas, making your videos look stunning. Whether you're surfing, mountain biking, or just walking through the park, an action camera with HDR will make sure your footage looks amazing. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best action cameras with HDR for 2024. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. Insta360 GO 3. The Insta360 GO 3 is a tiny powerhouse that proves big things can come in small packages. Its small size makes it incredibly easy to carry around, and you can mount it almost anywhere. Despite its tiny frame, it packs a punch with its HDR video capabilities. Imagine capturing smooth, detailed footage whether you're skateboarding through busy streets or hiking up a mountain trail. The HDR feature ensures that your videos are well balanced with vibrant colors and clear contrasts, making every moment look cinematic. One of the standout features of the Insta360 GO 3 is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be simple, which means you can start recording your adventures with just one press. The stabilization technology keeps your footage smooth, even when the action gets intense. This makes it perfect for those who love capturing their adventures without worrying about shaky videos. The Insta360 GO 3 also has a handy magnetic body that lets you stick it to almost any metal surface, giving you creative freedom with your shots. While the Insta360 GO 3 excels in portability and ease of use, it does have some limitations. The battery life isn't the longest, so you might find yourself needing to recharge it during long outings. However, considering its size and capabilities, this is a small trade-off. Another point to consider is its low light performance. While it does well in decent lighting conditions, it might struggle a bit in darker environments. But with some planning, you can still get great shots in various lighting situations. Overall, the Insta360 GO 3 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a compact, versatile action camera with HDR. It's perfect for capturing quick clips on the go, and is especially great for sharing on social media. Its ease of use and creative mounting options make it a fun and practical tool for documenting your adventures. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a name that's become synonymous with action cameras, and for good reason. This camera takes everything you loved about its predecessors and makes it even better. The Hero 11 Black's HDR feature ensures that your videos have vivid colors and sharp details, making your adventures look even more exciting. Whether you're diving into the ocean or snowboarding down a mountain, this camera captures every moment in stunning detail. One of the best things about the Hero 11 Black is its rugged design. It's built to withstand extreme conditions, so you can take it anywhere without worrying about damage. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, making it perfect for underwater adventures. The camera also features hyper-smooth stabilization, which makes your videos look smooth and professional, even when you're moving fast. This feature is a game changer for action enthusiasts who want to capture high-quality footage without any hassle. The Hero 11 Black also comes with a wide range of accessories that enhance its functionality. From mounts to extra batteries, these accessories help you get the most out of your camera. The voice control feature is another handy addition, allowing you to operate the camera hands-free. This is particularly useful when you're in the middle of the action and can't easily reach the camera. Additionally, the touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it simple to adjust settings and review footage. While the Hero 11 Black is packed with features, it does have a few drawbacks. The battery life, although improved, can still drain quickly if you're using high-resolution settings. Carrying extra batteries or a portable charger is a good idea for long shooting sessions. Another point to consider is its size. While it's not bulky, it's bigger than some other action cameras, which might be a concern if you're looking for something ultra-compact. However, the performance and quality it offers more than make up for these minor issues. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a serious contender in the action camera market, offering fantastic HDR capabilities that make your footage pop. This camera is designed for those who want high-quality video with rich colors and clear contrasts. The HDR mode ensures that your videos capture every detail, whether you're filming in bright sunlight or shadows. This makes it ideal for capturing dynamic scenes where lighting conditions can change quickly. One of the key features of the Osmo Action 4 is its dual-screen design. It has a front screen that's perfect for vlogging or taking selfies, and a back screen that's great for framing your shots. This makes it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. The rock-steady stabilization technology ensures that your footage is smooth, even in the most intense action scenes. This is particularly useful for activities like mountain biking or skiing, where bumps and jolts are inevitable. The Osmo Action 4 is also built to last. It's waterproof up to 36 feet without needing an extra case, which is great for underwater adventures. The camera is also designed to withstand extreme temperatures, so you can take it to hot deserts or snowy mountains without any worries. The quick switch button allows you to change modes easily, ensuring you don't miss any action. Additionally, the voice control feature adds to its convenience, allowing you to start and stop recording without having to touch the camera. Despite its many advantages, the Osmo Action 4 does have a few downsides. The battery life, like many action cameras, can be short if you're using it extensively at high settings. It's a good idea to carry spare batteries if you plan on shooting for long periods. Another point is that while the dual screen feature is great, it can be a bit of a drain on the battery if used continuously. However, these are minor issues compared to the overall performance and quality of the camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a reliable choice for capturing your adventures in stunning detail. Number 2. Insta360 Ace Pro. The Insta360 Ace Pro is a remarkable action camera that stands out with its advanced HDR capabilities. This camera is designed to capture your adventures with exceptional clarity and color accuracy. The HDR mode ensures that your videos have vibrant colors and detailed shadows, making your footage look professional and polished. Whether you're capturing a sunset hike or an indoor event, the Insta360 Ace Pro delivers high-quality results every time. One of the most impressive features of the Insta360 Ace Pro is its modular design. This allows you to swap out different lenses and accessories, customizing the camera to fit your needs. The flow state stabilization technology keeps your videos smooth and steady, even during high-speed activities. This makes it perfect for capturing action-packed moments without worrying about shaky footage. The camera also has a large touchscreen that makes it easy to navigate through settings and review your shots. The Insta360 Ace Pro is built for versatility. It's waterproof, so you can take it underwater without needing an extra case. The camera also supports a wide range of shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow motion, and live streaming. This gives you plenty of creative options to capture your adventures. The voice control feature is another handy addition, allowing you to control the camera hands-free. This is particularly useful when you're in the middle of the action and need to keep your hands free. However, the Insta360 Ace Pro does have a few drawbacks. The battery life can be a bit limited, especially when using high-resolution settings or advanced features. It's a good idea to have extra batteries on hand for extended shooting sessions. Another consideration is the learning curve. The modular design and extensive features mean there's a lot to learn, which can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. But with a bit of practice, you'll be able to take full advantage of everything this camera has to offer. The Insta360 Ace Pro is a fantastic choice for those who want a high-performance action camera with lots of creative potential. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the ultimate action camera for 2024, taking the top spot with its incredible HDR capabilities and outstanding performance. This camera captures every moment in stunning detail, with vivid colors and sharp contrasts that make your footage look amazing. The HDR feature ensures that your videos are well balanced, even in challenging lighting conditions, so you can capture everything from bright sunny days to dimly lit interiors with ease. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its superior stabilization technology. HyperSmooth 4.0 ensures that your videos are incredibly smooth, even when you're moving fast. This is perfect for activities like mountain biking, skiing, or any other high-speed adventures. The rugged design means you can take it anywhere without worrying about damage. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and built to withstand tough conditions, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. The Hero 12 Black also offers a range of innovative features that enhance your shooting experience. The front-facing screen is perfect for vlogging or taking selfies, while the back touchscreen is intuitive and easy to use. The voice control feature allows you to operate the camera hands-free, which is especially useful when you're in the middle of the action. Additionally, the camera supports live streaming, so you can share your adventures in real time with friends and family. While the Hero 12 Black is packed with features, there are a few things to keep in mind. The battery life, although improved, can still be a concern if you're shooting in high resolution for extended periods. Carrying extra batteries is a good idea for long shoots. Another point is the price. While it's one of the more expensive options on the market, the quality and features it offers make it worth the investment. If you're looking for the best action camera with HDR, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the one to get. There you have it, the top 5 best action cameras with HDR for 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching.